Good day everyone, and today we are here in SM East Ortigas. After kami nag-grocery, nag-coffee kami dito. Kasi pinalaki nila ang grocery nila guys. So ito yung mga cupcakes at saka brownies. Nakaka-relax din dito. Palagi namin itong nakikita itong coffee shop na to pero hindi kami pumunta pa. So ngayon, nag-order kami ng hot cappuccino, latte, at saka yung cereal brownie. Sobrang sarap nito guys. Maraming choices dito guys. Ang daming cupcakes, brownies, at iba pa. At ang sarap ng coffee nila guys. Must try place. Thank you guys for always watching Mami Lay. Please like and subscribe. And please hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga lakwatsa namin. God bless everyone.